This is 2S Television, your digital first Pan-African news network. You are watching Business Report Africa. I am Merciful Ajinomo. Management of Dangote Cement PLC has clarified that the price of a bag of cement from its factories and plants across Nigeria as at 12th April 2021 is 2,450 naira in Obajana and Boko and 2,510 naira in Ibese inclusive of VAT. The clarification was made in view of recent insinuations that the company sells cement in Nigeria at significantly higher prices relative to other countries, particularly Ghana and Zambia. Dangote's Group Executive Director of Strategy, Portfolio Development and Capital Project, Devakuma Edwin, revealed that while a bag of cement sells for an equivalent of $5.1, including VAT in Nigeria, it sells for $7.2 in Ghana and $5.95 in Zambia, ex-factory, inclusive of all taxes. Ugandan President Yoweri Museveni has called the April 11 signing of the East African crude oil pipeline deal between Tanzania and Uganda a third victory for them, saying the date is a sentimental one. It was President Samia Suluhu Hassan's first trip outside Tanzania as head of state since she took oath of office on March 19, following the death of President John Magufuli. And Alibaba's shares in Hong Kong jumped nearly 4% at the open on Tuesday, after regulators ordered the e-commerce giant financial technology affiliate Ant Group to revamp its business. That, along with an 18.23 billion yuan fine Alibaba received as a result of an anti-monopoly investigation by regulators, removed a source of uncertainty for investors. Hong Kong-listed shares of Alibaba later pared their opening gains, but were last seen trading up nearly 2% during the Tuesday session. Alibaba's US-listed shares closed over 9% higher on Monday. And the New York Stock Exchange announced Monday it would launch First Trade NFTs to memorialize the true first trade of 6 stocks on the public market. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are a type of digital asset created to track ownership of a virtual item using blockchain technology. Such unique items could be a piece of art or sports trading cards. NYSE President Stacey Cunningham, during the company's public debut, said the exchange processes over 350 billion order, quote, and trade messages across its market on its busiest days. And the African Development Bank hosted its first virtual business opportunities seminar of 2021 on 6th and 7th April. The BOS seminars offer one-stop shop for companies, civil contractors, manufacturers, consultants, and suppliers from the bank group's regional and non-regional members seeking to provide goods and services to project or to the bank. Held virtually as a result of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, delegates were informed about the bank's strategy for supporting economic growth, its priority areas, rules and procedures for project and corporate procurement, and ongoing public and private sector operations. This is your digital first Pan-African news network, 2S Television, and you're watching Business Report Africa. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for staying. A criminal case against Petro Union directors continues at the Federal High Court in Lagos. The Supreme Court would continue its hearing in the case involving the Central Bank of Nigeria, Union Bank of Nigeria, and an oil and gas company, Petro Union Oil and Gas Limited, over an alleged £2.5 billion front rather. The series of incidents upon which the case is based began in 1994. When Petro Union allegedly fraudulently procured a check from a branch of Barclays Bank in the UK with a value of £2.556 billion and presented it at one of Union Bank's branches in Lagos with a claim that it had a contract purportedly for the purpose of constructing 2 refineries, a fertilizer plant and a cement paper bag plant. Subsequent due diligence investigations by Union Bank at the time revealed that the check, bill or instrument dated 29 December 1994 for the sum of £2,556 billion drawn in favor of Gladstone Kukoi and Associates was confirmed by Barclays Bank to be fake. There is a cloud of uncertainty surrounding $62 billion outstanding taxes and royalties owed Nigeria by operating major oil companies in the country. The federal government had in 2019 taken the step to recover as much as $62 billion from international oil companies using a 2018 Supreme Court ruling. which it said enabled it to increase its share of income from production sharing contracts. The move was in line with the present administration's commitment to bolster revenue after a drop in the output and price of oil, which is Nigeria's main export. Now, the Central Bank of Nigeria has mandated all development finance institutions, microfinance banks, primary mortgage banks, and finance companies operating in the country to enroll on its credit risk management system. The Apex Bank in a circular yesterday said the move was part of efforts to promote a safe and sound financial system in Nigeria. The CRMS was introduced to improve credit risk management in commercial, merchant and non-interest banks, as well as to prevent predatory borrowers from undermining the banking system. This is Business Report Africa on TOS Television Network. Up next is brief on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Do stay. Welcome back. Trading on the Nigerian Exchange Limited yesterday closed the first trading session of the week on a negative note, as NSE All Share Index declined by 81 billion naira or 0.40%. The decline follows the investors' profit taking on some recently appreciated stocks such as Stanbic IBTC Holdings and 19 others. The All Share Index declined by 153.84 absolute points, representing a decrease of 0.40% to close at 38,712.55 points. Similarly, the overall market capitalization value lost 81 billion naira, representing a drop of 0.37% to close at 20.260 trillion naira, following the listing of additional 2.43 billion ordinary shares of eTranzact PLC at 1.50 naira per share. Linkage Assurance PLC has recorded 8.3 billion naira gross written premium in its 2020 audited financial result. This was an increase of 28% year-on-year from 6.5 billion naira in 2019, while total assets also rose by 18% year-on-year in 2020 to 33.9 billion naira compared to 28.7 billion naira in 2019. The company also witnessed significant improvement in other indices, with underwriting profit growing by 102% from 0.4 billion naira in 2019 to 0.9 billion naira at the end of 2020. This, according to the company, was a result of improvement in core business activities on the backdrop of healthy business underwriting decisions, reinsurance, optimization and efficient claims management process. And Heineken has unveiled celebrities for the quarterfinals of the 2020-2021 UCL. Brand announced Nancy Iseme, Uti Nwachukwu, Chike, Samantha Walsh, and VJ Adams as celebrities that will drive football and lifestyle conversations, making them a perfect fit for the brand's Never Watching Alone theme this Champions League season. Busting onto the Nigerian entertainment scene at the turn of the year, Chike is the rave of the moment among Nigerian audiences and is recognized as an ardent football fan. He is joined by popular TV presenter and former Big Brother Naija winner, Uti Nwachukwu, whose previous work includes his role as a football analyst on SuperSport. Meanwhile, VJ Adams, renowned for his success in the Nigerian esports scene, esports, is regarded as one of the most important drivers of culture in the entertainment industry. He initially rose to prominence following his contest at the 2008 edition of Next Movie Star West Africa before emerging as a significant subset of youth culture in esports and gaming. He is joined by renowned media personalities Nancy Iseme and Samantha Walsh. And just before we go, in CBN exchange rate, dollar to naira has a buying rate of 379 and a selling price of 380 naira. Pounds to naira has a buying rate of 520 and a selling price of 521 naira. Euro to naira has a buying rate of 450, selling price of 451 naira. South African rand has a buying rate of 26 and a selling price of 26 naira. And that is all we can give you on Business Report Africa. Join us again same time tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to follow us on all our social media platforms at TOS TV Network on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Of course, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TOS TV Network. I am Merciful Ajinomo.